we just hit ourselves a nice one here. 5-cent denom, 660 a bet. I got a spectacular hit. 2 minors and 4 minis. Nice. That was a good spin there. Up to 378. All right, let's keep it going. I got a feeling there's some more. There's some more that fish wants to give me. 660 a bet. Come on, come on. Another 25. Come on, let's get crazy. Come on, let's get crazy. Get some free games, free games. Come on, come on, come on. Give me one right there. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Oh, that would have been a good one. Alright guys, hang on. I'll play down to 300 and cash out. Let's keep it going, see if we can't get another one. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Alright, my neighbor got a good little chunk of change. Played real good. Alright guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, we moved over here and there we go. Puff in even more puff. The Super's 18,496. I got this Grand at 8,474. Major 1,388. Got a minor 100, mini 20. I put 100 in. We're at 2-cent denom with a $2 bet. We'll work our way up. See if we can get a bankroll building and then get some higher bets. We need 3 saws, 6 hats, or the crazy wolf comes out and shakes his tail. One more. Oh, I hate it when it does that, but I like it when it just does what it's supposed to do. Hey. Come on, come on, come on. All right, let's change it up. $3 bet. I'm sorry, $4 bet. Get some kickbacks going here. Come on, Wolfie. Oh! Make that noise, Wolfie. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. All right. Let's go to $1. 1-cent denom. And we're going to shoot for $2 a bet on a 1-cent denom. See if we can't get something down here. Come on, Wolfie. Make some noise. Alright, let's go $3 bet on this.
arriba, el último ahora lo encierra para parte
Okay, we're not having any luck on this one. Maybe we'll get a free wager spin and win. Get something. Alright guys, stay tuned. We'll see what else we can find. Alright guys, we got in it finally. I had to move to a different machine. I put 1 cent denom, playing a $1 bet. Hey, any bonus is better than no bonus. That's what I say. So I want to thank you guys for subscribing. Thanks for everybody that gives me thumbs up. It's nice to meet you guys. And really enjoyed getting the thumbs up on a lot of my videos. And I really do appreciate it. You know, as a retired person, it's just nice to travel and have fun and meet new people, make new friends, and share a little fun, laughter, and love. That's what life's all about. My neighbor got a good hit. Alrighty. Beautiful. Alrighty, no mansions. We got a bunch of wood, bunch of houses. My neighbor just hit another bonus. Awesome, awesome, very good. Alright, let's make some moolah here. House. One mansion. Where'd that guy come from? I didn't see that mansion before. Take it. 1 coin for the major. 75. Oh, that's 1 cent. Very nice. I love it. Why is it you can bet 1 cent, 2 cent bets and hit more than you can at 5 cent, 10 cent denom? Somebody explain that to me. It doesn't happen, but it happens more frequently. $88 on that $1 bet. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we just got back in here huffing even more puff. The major's $3,329, minor $250, minis $250, and we just got ourselves a bonus game. Let's get some hats now. Come on, 3 of those hats. We need a bunch of hats, get some majors. I mean, get some mansions so we can get the major. Come on, Wolfie. I know you got it in you. Bunch of hats. Line them up. Give me some rows of hats. Oh, don't do that shenanigan. There you go. Now we're talking. Now we're getting there. Right, 1 mansion. Keep it going right there in the same spot. Come on. Hat. Oh, you dirty little dog. Alright, that was my second spin at 5 cent denom with a $3 bet. Not a lot, but hey, we got the bonus. That's what it's all about. 1 coin for the major. Okay, and I have some help here. How about a minor? Minor or major? Everybody think green, think blue. Okay. Alrighty. $100 on that. Very nice. $177 on that $3 bet. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, we're betting 10 cent denom, $6 bets. Come on, Wolfie. Need some help here. Get some help. Get some help. I want to hear ow. Everybody at home, give me a ow. Come on, come on, come on. I know he's gonna do it. Come on, Wolfie. Alright, let's change it up. Let's go $12 bet. Come on, Wolfie. I believe in you. Oh, come on, Wolfie. All right, guys, stay tuned. We'll see what we can get here. That's a $24 on a $12 bet. Let's do two more. Got a feeling he's going to show up. All right, stay tuned. Let me see if I can't get a bonus. All right, guys, we just got a bonus here on a 5-cent D-Now with $3 bet. We got the upgrade. Let's get a mansion, a grand. We'll take the major. Get around there, major. Take the super. We get the super. We got the super buzzsaw. All right, that's nice. I got that last time. That's a good one. I love that granite. $8,476. All right, now we need to get a bunch of mansions. So we can get that. Okay, they're spread out all over the screen. Okay, all we gotta do is hit those red ones. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Lots of re-triggers and lots of mansions. Let's cover the whole screen. Mansions everywhere. Come on, come on, come on. I got that major in my back pocket. Come on. Got one mansion. Here we go. Come on, Wolfie. Lots of hats. Come on. All right. Now let's fill the board. There's a nice little kickback. Oh yeah, that was nice. All right, let's go. Gotta have them hats. Come on. All right, now you got all that red, all that wood. Let's go, Wolfie. I believe in you. Make my day. All right, another mansion. All right, make this last one count. Come on. Make the last one count. There we go, there we go. There we go. Oh my God, my neighbor's killing it. Beautiful, wow. Nice, good, nice kickbacks. Yeah, let's keep them hats going. Come on, come on, come on. Hats, hats, hats. All right, gotta have some help right here. Get some more. Ooh, all right, keep it going. Keep it going. Wow, very nice. The neighbor's got 6 buzzsaws. All right, beautiful. Hats, hats, hats. All right, guys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 mansions. Nice little kickbacks. All we need is 1 coin for the major. 1 coin for the major. Everybody think major. $3,334. Major, major, major. This could be it right here. Let's see what we get. Okay. Alrighty. Make it count right here, Wolfie. Coin, coin, coin. 3 coins, 3 coins, 3 coins for the major. Alrighty. No major. We got a nice chunk of change. Alright. I think $155. And the 78 that was already there. $262.30 on that $3 bet. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna try to hit another one. All right, guys, I just got back in it again. 10-cent D-Nom, $6 bet. They're chasing that major. Hats, hats, and more hats. Come on, hats. Okay now, come on, Wolfie. I know you got it in you. Lots of hats. Come on. Oh, don't be a spoiled sport. That was not a good bonus. Not a single wood hut and no mention on that 10-cent D-man $6 bet. Let's see what we get here. Alrighty, looks like what? 40-some dollars? $44 on that $6 bet. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, I got back in. I got a $1 bet with $1 D-Mount with a $10 bet. Come on, Mansion. Come on, Mansion. Everybody say upgrade or Mansion. Upgrade or Mansion. Grand. No mini, no mini. We don't want a mini. Upgrade. It happens all the time on a 10-cent D-Mount. I have no luck with that 10-cent D-Mount. But we're getting 150 on it, so be happy. Alright guys, we're up to 372. I'm going to keep playing. I'll get back with you. Alright guys, I moved over here to the Buffalo game. Buffalo Ultimate Stampede. You got this bonus green bar you got to move all the way to a full bonus, and then bet $1.50 a 2-cent denom. See if we can get some bonus and build a bankroll. Alright, there's another good one. Okay, let's keep it going. Smack that bonus. Alright, moving it along. Come on, come on, come on. 6 of those puts me in the bonus. And it could go all the way at any given time. Or 3 coins. Okay, let's up it to $4 bets. See what we get up here. Alright, stay tuned guys. I get a bonus, I'll get back to you. Okay guys, I moved over here to the Phoenix Link Grand Jackpot 60,000. I got a major of 511, minors 50, and minis 10. It's really dependent on the bet. Let's see if we can't make something happen. I'm going to start slow and then work my way up. Okay, I'm at a 1-cent bet, a 50-cent bet on a 1-cent D-Mount. We'll just do some of these and see if we can't get into the bonus real quick and work our way up. And I'd like to start slow and then see if we can't build something. Alright, let's go ahead and go. Let's move up to $1 bet. 2 more. Come on. those flags. Nice little number there, $15, a $1 bet. You guys got indigestion. Guy ate some bad refried beans or something. General Tissot. Alright guys, we're going to change the denomination. We're going to go to 2 cent and start out at $1 a bet on 2 cent. That gives the mini 20, miners 100. There we go, we're in it. Alright guys, we're into the bonus. It's a feature round. Let's see if we can't make some money on this thing. Oh, look at them. Look at that volume, is so loud. I'm not moving the volume down. Oh, that'll break your ears down. I got some nice numbers already. Alright, let's fill this thing up. That's it. Alright, well, we got some good numbers on there. For $1 bet. I mean, to tell you, nice little $10 bet. I started with 100. And already got up to $79. Alright. Alright. That's where they say cash out. 155, but we're going to play it again down to 100. This time, I'm going to do a backup spin for the win. One more. Okay, one more. Alright, let's change it up to 5 cent denom. And we're going to bet $3.75 down to $100. See if we can't get that bonus again. Now the mini's 50, the minor's 250, the major's 511. Three more. We're at $1.25. 3 more. Alright, let's go to 250. See if we get something. Three more. Come on, hit it. Oh, 2 more. Come on, bonus. come on, come on. Hit it, hit it. One more. Got it. Got the double mini, guys. $50 for double mini. Oh, that's sweet. Double mini. $50. All right, this is a good one here. 5-cent denom, 250 bet. Let's get busy. Let's hit that miner for 250. There we go. Nice number. Oh, another mini. All right. Let's keep it going. Come on, come on, come on. Beautiful. Let's fill it up and get the grand for 60,000. Come on. I see another mini in there. All right. Come on, come on. Last spin. Let's go. Save it. Save it. Save it. All right, guys. Still a good payout right there. Nice. Beautiful. All right, all right, all right. There we go. Double minute. Love it, love it. Started out with $100. We're up to $232.50 on that 250 bet. Beautiful. Brings us up to 343. All right, guys, hang on. I'm going to see if I can hit another bonus. Let's climb the ladder. All right, guys, we're here at Phoenix Link. I went to 10-cent denom with 250 bet. Let's go ahead and see if we can get a bonus. We'll play it down to 200. Trying to swing for the gold here. Now that we made a little money, maybe we can get ourselves a bonus with 10-cent denom. Come on, come on, come on. Should cash out right there at 300, but I'm a gambler. One more. Got it. All right, guys, we got back in it again. I went to 10-cent denom with 250 bet. This ought to be a good one. And our counter's up to 1,177, so we're close to getting the bonus on those numbers there. Let's get a bonus within a bonus. Bonus within a bonus. Come on. Come on, Tai Chi. 3 more. It's Mr. Tai Chi. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. Don't waste it. 2 more. 2 more. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Last spin. Oh my God, what a bonus. $7.50. That ought to be good. Oh, that's a good one right there. That was a good hit right there. We got the cannons. We got the Mr. Tai Chi. And we're climbing up to get that bonus. Let's say it. Oh, that was a last spin saver right there. Oh, just let it climb right on up. See, we're at 1,188 on the green here, up here. And it says free feature before 1,888. We're going to keep playing to see if we can't hit that. Oh, we sure would like to get that grand. Take 60,000 back to Houston, Texas. Yeah, they told me I can't film anymore in Silka. Kind of disappointed because I've been filming there for over a year. Anyways, so we're going to have to start traveling more. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to keep playing. All right, guys, we got back in it again. I had to move around a little bit. I'm going to have 10-cent denom, 250 bet. Got down to 200. I was up to about 350. But I'm chasing that feature here, random feature. Alright, let's see if we can make some money on this thing here. Oh, would I like to throw it up? Throw it up and get the grand. One time, throw it up. Come on, come on, come on. I'll take a minor. $52 on that 250 bet. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we made it over here to Dancing Drums. Brand is $18,598, 1,000 major, minor, and mini depending on what you bet. I'm starting out at $1.76 a bet. I got 102 in the game. All right, let's see if we can't get a bonus. All right, let's change up the bet. 264. Come on, drums. I need to hear you beat that drum. I haven't heard a drum beat yet. All right. There we go. That's a nice little bonus right there. Oh yeah. Sometimes these bonuses and kickbacks can be better than the actual feature. I just say, keep going, keep going. Don't stop. I can listen to that music all day long. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep going, keep going. Alright. $72 on that $2.64 bet. Let's keep it going. I think we got the right denomination. Right bet 264 for now. We're at 147. Nice kickback. Alright. It's really nice when you get these kickbacks like that. Close that pot. Mini is $18, minor is $34, major is $1,032. Alright, let's do a couple more. We're going to raise it up. 264 is a really good bet. Let's keep it going. All we want is one trigger. There we go. That's what I want to hear. I hear them drums beat. Alright, we're going to change it up. I say that, but I keep getting kickbacks. Back up to 140. I need 3 of those drums. I think they got to be in the first 3 rows. Alright, let's change up our bet. 528. See if we can get lucky up here. All we need is one feature. Come on, drums. One more. Oh, man. Love the sound of that. All right. Let's do 1,880. A couple of those. Okay, got our bet back. Come on, come on, come on. One more. They give you just enough so you stay on that bet. That 880 seems to be a good bet. All right, that's $40 back on an $8.80 bet. Let's keep it going. Come on, drums. 3 in a row. Just give me 3 in a row. Make it happen right here. Right here. Oh, you know you want to give it to me. Come on. All right, one more. Yeah, okay. We're going to go back down to, I think, 264. Seemed to be where we had a lot of action. See if we can't get lucky. Come on, come on. Yeah, that 264 bet seems to be the best place to be. Come on, one time. Get me in the bonus. One time. Come on, come on, come on. Alright guys, looks like we're gonna have another bad session here. I pulled some money off of Huff and Puff and I pulled some money off of Phoenix Link, about 300. And right now we are not having any luck here, so it's 100 in the hole. So I'm down about $500 right now. Alright guys, stay tuned. We'll find another game. Okay guys, I'm over here at Dragon Link, and the grand is 116,000, major 6,400, minor 500, and the mini is 100. I'm in for another 100 here. I'm going to do $5 spins, see if we can hit ourselves a feature. We need 3 of those golden apples, or 6 of Miyagi. Well, 6 of the orbs. All right, let's go. Let's get a kickback here. Come on. $1 back. Alright, come on. All we need is one feature. I'll turn that volume down just a hair. Come on, come on, come on. We need to climb back out of this hole, guys. I need Miyagi to show up. I need 4 of him in a row. Three, one. One more. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Golly, they're showing up. I'm not hitting them yet. There we go, guys. We're in. All right, I'm at 10-cent denom, $5 bet. We just got into the orb bonus. Let's see if we can't pull down that minor's 500. The mini's 100. All right, come on. There we we go. Nice. Nice $20. All right, lots of real estate. Oh, look at that. $50. Beautiful. Beautiful. I seen the miner in there for 500. Oh, we could use that miner right now. Come on, miner. Oh, I see a 500 floating around there too. Miner and a 500 and a mini. Come on, come on, come on. Right in the middle. All right, let's save it right here. Save it. Save it. Ah, you pretty good. All right, guys. Still, we did pretty good on this one. All right, we're coming back. All right, $190 on that $5 bet, guys. Beautiful. All right, stay tuned. Let me get back with you on the next one. Okay, guys, we just got back in. 10-cent denom, $10 bet. I just hit the feature, guys. Let's get a feature within a feature. We want the orbs from this. Oh my God. Okay, so we're chasing the grand at 116,000. Major 6,400. We'll take a minor at 500, and the mini's 100. Let's get busy. All right, we need 6 orbs. Come on. 6 orbs. I'm just gonna let it run, guys. I don't want to touch it. Let it give back what it wants to give back. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Mr. Miyagi. Show me something good. Let's go. Halfway there, guys. Come on, come on. 3 more. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Ah, come on. Show me, show me, show me. Ooh, that's nice. 2 times. Times 2. Well, not as good as it could have been. $71 on that $10 bet, guys. Well, we tried. Let's keep playing. Look at that. Can you believe that jack just blocked everything? Unbelievable. Okay, guys, I'm in the high limit room. I'm going to try my luck. I ain't had no luck out there on the floor. But we got 129,000 grand. We got the major at 20,000. And I'm on this Buffalo Gold Revolution. All I need is one feature to get into it. I'm going to do low bets, 25-cent denom with $5 bets. I got another 100 in. Let's see if we can't make it happen. Let's get busy. Come on, come on, come on. Well, that's nice. Nice work, James. Cadillac Jack. All right. Let's climb our way back. Man, I had a really nice bonus going in that Miyagi game, T-Shao, and didn't pay out. I mean, $10 bet at $1 denom. I just played 2 spins here and got $100 back. All right, let's keep playing. We want to hit that bonus. We want a feature is what we're looking for. All right. Need 3 of those. Of course. A whole bunch of buffalo. $25 back on a $5 bet. Come on, Buffalo. Alright guys, hold on. When I get a feature, I'll get back with you. Okay guys, I moved over here to Coin Trio Royal. Again, the Royal is 140,000, the Grand is 60,000, and the Minor's 3,388, Major 7,200. We want to hit any one of those. It's a nice fun game. We're going to start out at 10 set D now. And we're going to do minimum bet at $5, $10. Basically want to get those 3 to spin. We got 192 in. We're doing $10 spins. And I got a sticky button. Come on, make it happen. Make it happen. One time. They got an instant feature here that I might do, but I don't know yet. This button is very sticky. Somebody's been drinking and spitting all over the button. Alright, let's keep it going. I'll play down to 100 and see what the instant feature is. A bunch of 10s. 650 back. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Let's get 3 of those in a row. I'll tell you what, we're going to switch over to this game. It looks like it's got a better chance of hitting. Yeah, these flames here seem to be on fire a whole lot more, the blue, the red, and the green versus those. So let's see if we can't get something here. Alright, we're going to go back to our $10 bet. What a bunch of fish. $18 back on that $10 bet. Alright, let's get something good. Come on, come on, come on. Firecrackers. All we need is one feature. Let's get in the feature right here. Oh, let's get all 3 of those coins. There we go. Come on, come on. That's what we want to see. We want to see that. A lot of coins. A bunch of A's there. Aces. A nice little line hit. Okay, over $50. That's a nice line. I'm in the high limit room here at Hard Rock Casino in Hollywood, Florida. Yeah, get up early and go on the cruise. Come on. All we want is one bonus. One bonus. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Everybody say, come on, come on. Let's do it. Get it, get it. Man. It wants to give us the bonus. I have a feeling it wants to give us the bonus. Which one? I don't know. It might be all 3. I'll take all 3. Come on, just one of them. I really would like to see the bonus. Fireworks again. Come on, come on. Queen all the way around. Alrighty. A lot of queens. Got my $10 back. Come on, coins. Oh, look at that. That looks nice. All these lions. Man, all these tigers. I say lions, but they're really tigers. Chinese tigers. Not sure, they're not Siberian, but they got a big growl. Oh, that's nice. Another nice chunk of change. Oh, we want to get into that bonus. More ammunition. Guys, I'm going to probably shut it down after this game. I'm already 50 minutes into the video, and I did a couple other ones before this one, so I really appreciate everyone watching. Thumbs up. Tell all your friends. Cadillac Jackpot, one word. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. I need all the support I can get. I got a couple of new subscribers today here at Hard Rock. Man, that's a nice payout. Look at that. Ooh, Lordy, keep it going. So I really would like everybody to subscribe and thumbs up. If you got comments, let me know. If you want me to play a certain game, let me know. That's $178. The problem is Texas won't let me film, so I'm just gonna have to figure out what to do next. Go to Louisiana and probably travel. I'm gonna go to Foxwood when the weather gets better. Pretty nice up there now. And then I'm going back to New York. I'm gonna hit Seneca Casino. One bonus, come on, one bonus. That's all we want, guys. Let's get busy. $10 bets, come on. Let's see what it costs to do an instant feature. Oh my God. So if we did one time, it would be 600. We don't have enough money. It would be a $600 bet. We're not there yet. If we did 2 times, it would be 1,200. So we're not gonna do that. Let's return the game, and remember, my comfort zone is $5 to $10. I know there's a lot of people. Oh my God, that looks nice. Look at that, all them fish. There's a lot of people that'll bet $25, $50, $100 a spin. I mean, I see guys doing $750 a spin. Vegas Mac, of course, my favorite, Mr. Handpay. That guy, he just bets like $500 all the time, $250, $100, and don't even think about it. What a nice little $48. We're due for a bonus. We're up to 257. We need one bonus feature, and we'll call it a night. Come on. I'll play it down to 200 and probably cash out at 200. Come back another day. All right, we need some help. I know they're ready. Hey, I know they're ready. All right, last spin. All right, guys. Sorry about that. I want to thank everybody once again. I've had fun. I've been playing for about 4 hours here at Hard Rock, and I'm getting ready to get on the cruise tomorrow. So I'll catch up with you guys on the next video. Remember to subscribe, Cadillac Jackpot. Thanks for watching.